Hi guys, good afternoon to everyone. Now is June 5, 2025, Thursday. Guys, thank God at last and finally dumating na ang in-order namin na heater. Malaki to siya na heater guys. 2.3 liter to siya na heater. Wait guys ha, kasi ang previous heater namin guys nasira, pero same lang sila ng product. Ito siya guys oh. HODEKT ang brand niya guys. Yan guys. Yan, ito siya guys, oh. 2.3 liter ang capacity nito guys. At meron tong black na color, pero it's up to you kung white ang color ang pipiliin nyo or black. At saka, ilong press natin to para ma-open. Ito guys. Yan, naka-open na. Yan. Malaki siya guys, maganda. Tapos, it looks very good quality product guys. It looks very nice guys. So, let's try it guys. Subukan natin guys. So what are we waiting for guys? Let's do it guys. 'Di ba? Yan. So subukan natin guys. Let's try guys. Yan. So wait guys ha. Wait. So yan. Yan. Op. Wait. Ito. Wait. Ano? Yan. So, lagyan natin ng tubig. So, tingnan natin guys kung ano ang ano. Wait guys ha. So, yan. 2.3 liters ang pwede niyang ilagay dito. So, kung maraming tubig ang kailangan natin kasi malaki ang thermos natin, so hindi na tayo magpabalik-balik sa heater kettle natin na mag-init, di ba? Ito guys, isaksak natin guys. Yan. At saka i-on natin guys. Yan ang itsura niya guys oh. Yan. So, sa lahat ng mga nangangailangan ng heater dyan guys, subukan nyo lang to guys. Just click my link, just trust me, and just try. Subukan nyo lang guys, baka magustuhan nyo. Kasi guys, all I can see sa product na to, sulit na sulit. So very worth it guys, ang ganda-ganda guys. But still yet guys, it's your life, it's your choice. Buhay nyo yan, desisyon nyo yan. So, sa huli, kayo pa rin ang decision guys. What I mean guys, hindi po ako namimilit po guys. Option lang po to guys. Maraming mapagpipilian dyan na ibang mga products. So, pero kung bet nyo to guys, just click my yellow basket guys. Just click my link guys. Just click my link. Just trust me guys. So, oh, nag-iingay na siya guys. Ang dali lang niya guys. Ito pala guys, by the way guys, 1,500 watts to guys na heater guys. Ito ang brand niya guys oh. HODEKT. HODEKT heater. Ito guys oh. Yan. So, yan. So, and by the way guys, this is my place guys. Simple lang. At saka, yan. So, to all my friends guys, to all my followers, especially na sa mga taong palagi lang nag-order sa mga products ko sa links ko, good afternoon to everyone. At thank you so much sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Take care po tayong lahat. Ingat po tayong lahat. At God bless po sa ating lahat. Or God bless us all, and that's all. Bye bye guys.